John, you can't go to the North End and not get a cannoli. I don't know about you. I'm not a Mike's guy. I think Modern Pastry might have the best cannoli.
It's pretty good. I mean, there's 6 or 8 excellent pastry shops on Hanover Street that sell cannolis, but you know what I hear?
What?
I hear that the best cannolis aren't actually on Hanover Street.
Stop the press.
No, it's true. It's true. I hear that there's a place right around the corner called Maria's that gets the #1 for cannolis in the North End. Let's go take a look.
Let's do it. Got him.
You got them?
Where do we side? Maria's.
What do you got? Maria's?
We're playing cannolis, none of that chocolate nonsense.
All right, let's go. Let's eat.
Let's get them.